Want to create Zillow 3D tour that wow potential buyers and not make them click away in seconds? Let's get started. First, you'll need the right equipment: a Ricoh Theta or similar 360 camera, a sturdy tripod, and a smartphone or tablet to control the camera. Make sure your camera is fully charged before each shoot. Next, placement is key. Position the camera in the center of each room, away from walls and large objects. A good rule of thumb is to place the camera in the room, stand in the doorway, and then walk into the center. Now, use the Zillow 3D Home app or your camera's companion app to remotely trigger the shot. Hide behind a wall or in another room to avoid being in the image. Lighting is critical. Open blinds and turn on lights to brighten the space, but avoid harsh shadows or direct sunlight. Overexposed or underexposed rooms turn viewers away. Skip closets, bathrooms that are too small to provide a real tour, and areas with mirrors, as they cause confusion and glitches in the final tour. Plan a route through the house that feels natural and logical. Finally, upload your images to the Zillow 3D Home app, follow the prompts to connect the shots, and preview your tour. Double-check for any errors before publishing. Now you can create stunning 3D tour that sell homes faster. Good luck.